Welcome to 360 Degree Machinery. We are going to take a quick look at a Tyler PowerPod cold press. This press has a 51 inch by 51 inch capacity. It's basically a half sheet press. Currently, with it fully opened, you do have a 36 inch daylight. If we were to turn those pods on and activate them, mind you, this press is almost 100% air. The only thing that uses 115 volt power are the solenoid switches that turn each platen on and off. There's a total of 4 platens. Those platens are 25 inches by 25 inches. The reason why they do this is if it was a solid plate, it would pretty much just warp under pressure. Instead, what they do is they kind of float. These are 12-inch bags. There's a total of 16 of them. That means it has a full airbag coverage. You couldn't put bigger bags or more bags in if you tried. Not all presses have that kind of coverage. Those bags do extend 6 inches down, so currently you do have 30 inches of daylight with them fully extended. On top of this, we do have a set of 24-inch riser blocks. So if you were to put the risers in there, that would give you a 12-inch daylight opening with the press fully opened, or down to a little bit over 6 inches with the bags fully extended. You do have rollers on your bottom bed plate. It's going to help you, they're spring loaded, so it's going to help you roll your material in and out. However, currently they are below the surface because they were not using them. Inlet pressure is rated up to 100 PSI. We do have the original manual. And when I mean original manual, I mean original blueprints and schematics. We do have a copy of the original build sheet. Again, 51 3/4 inches by 51 1/4 inches, 36 inch daylight. Model is 80 PSI. If you have any questions or comments, you can reach us at info@360degreemachinery.com, or you can give us a call at 630-229-6705. Again, thank you for tuning in to 360 Degree, helping you buy with confidence.